Huh. So we build a model where the NGOs can come up and display the request. The users can come and check if if they want to contribute. And yeah, that's the website. So this is the navbar and one second. Yeah. We use now a PNG over here, SVG for the designing. This is supposed to be a video, but it's not functioning right now. Then we use normal jQuery over here to put some animation, a parallax effect. So yeah, this was the homepage. This is the footer. We wanted to integrate over here the help bar in the bottom right, sticky one, so that we had a couple of ideas in our mind that we could use it to maybe we could use NLP in machine learning. So and along with that for feedback. So if a user had a question, so automatically it would recognize from the feedback section that which one is similar and would answer to that. But due to lack of time, we missed out even the certain basic layouts of the website that would have been a later stage part. And yeah, we had multiple more features in our head. Like we are thinking of maybe adding some data feeding through APIs of COVID, uh, maybe giving you continuous statistics. But okay, that's for the later stage. Now let's continue with the website. So yeah, these are the options set for the NGO to log in, for the user to log in, for us in case you need an additional page, unsure page right now, we're open to adding more pages. So contribute page. Okay, so this is the contribute page, and again, it's not 100% complete yet. So the actual page will have a little bit different designing. We add a search bar for searching the NGO here using this, and this part, this card is basically each and every NGO, the NGOs can log in, put in their requirements, and a certain card will be displayed with their requirements displayed over here. So these template tags will automatically extract the data in the database that if an NGO requires 7 ventilators, 2 masks, 3 beds, whatever, and it will keep stacking up. The stack up will look somewhat like this. So this orange part is basically the image. These will be the item names and these will be the quantities. And it's gonna keep stacking up like this, okay? And yeah, I changed the design for a little bit to do this. And okay, this is again a footer. Now going to the other page. Uh, yeah, so whenever you click over here, it will redirect you to the page of a certain NGO. So title testing will be the name of the NGO it will be extracting. These will be the requirements what the specific NGO has, that they need all these things. Extracting the description of NGO. Over here, life change will be a small feature we thought of adding. Again, we fell short of time of implementing. So what this was that we were thinking that for each product the user decides to donate, we could show that we could keep a certain value that the ventilator might help, saving a certain amount, 5 lives, or 1 mask can help one person, a PP kit might help one. This way, so every time you donate, every time a person donates, a life is an extra life is saved. So this way, a user would feel that they're not just giving away money. In return, they would feel a sense that yeah, they're making a difference. So that is the basic idea. So instead of maybe not adding a lot of features, something that would make the user feel happy. That's what the website attracts basically. Along over here is a carousel that the NGO can put in a couple of their pictures over here. You can forward through WhatsApp and Facebook the a message that this NGO requires this usage. So about a small message will be sent. You just have to click the button. This will be the details which it will be extracting the footer again. And then whenever you click to donate, it will redirect you to the payment section, the checkout section. Now here we have inbuilt, we have just set these values which will be set to 0000 initially, and the prices of bed and all these things which either we can provide on the beforehand basis, and if needed, we can even incorporate in later stages that each uh, NGO has a specific model in their mind for a ventilator or something, so they can provide their own prices. But yeah, we are keeping a basic average price for each of these equipments, and along with that, you can see in the right over here the item total and price in GST 18%, an average. And as I add, if I add extra bed, so automatically 100 rupees were added to the subtotal and the GST is added. If I subtract it, automatically keep subtracting. And you can add it for like each and every column of these. Each one of these work, they all subtract. So yeah. We added a small ads dot over here since it's a website, and each and every website does have ads. So yeah, we had more ideas in our mind. Like initially we thought that once we'll be done with the templates over here, these templates, we could show that which of these what do you say, NGOs, they provide tax benefits. So we can show a small mark over here. We can filter out the tax benefits. That would give the set an edge, because many people do prefer going to NGOs for tax benefits, and that could be something you can have to put in register beforehand. And even for the advertisements, we were thinking of adding a point system, but since it was a one-day hackathon and it was our first hackathon as well, so we were a bit slow. So we could have added a different feature which each and every user, every time they donate, a certain amount will be added to their you know, their profile. A certain points will be added, and after they achieve a certain amount of points, that after like donating 5 lakh rupees or 50,000 rupees, XYZ, those points will turn into a monetary value, and that monetary value will be a percentage of their revenue. So that would engage users to maybe that they will be happy, yeah, they're getting a benefit in return for doing good deed. And yeah, so even for the company to earn, they can be ad revenue. So applications like Keto and all, they earn good enough. And another reason they earn is they take 5% of the charges. So those could be things we could incorporate over here. But right now, this is a basic layout. Uh, so yeah, we had a few more things, but let's go to the backend now. So can you just restart?
Yeah, now
Yeah,
as you can see over here, as Parsh mentioned, we have the full payment portal, the checkout section as we call it. And suppose as we are going ahead to click here, this is what backend and payment portal we set up. So we just confirm the amount that we have been put. Let me check 1 second if it's already been put or not. Yeah, so the amount was 3068. Now we want to pay with PayPal. No, first we have to add it over here. After it's added, then it's in the cart or whatever the checkout page. As you can see, and then we just do
I guess the video is paused.
no, the video is in pause.
Stuck over.
As you can see, I'm using sandbox accounts here. Sandbox account are developer accounts provided by PayPal for us to use their uh, hello. Yes. So yeah. Now so now it will show me that the payment has been completed, and then that is just one. So that's the payment portal we have integrated, and in the backend, in the admin section, I can show you all that it's the amount and the total. Like this is a user, and its total is displayed here, and then these are the other NGOs. Like these are 3 NGOs which we have provided, and these are the fields, like the database, like, and these are the requirements that they have. And we were going to import, like, this is just 10, we were going to provide 10 standard NGOs on our website, and if other NGOs wanted to register, they could have also registered on the website, and they would be displayed with a Django form model. And I also have 2 login pages. This is a login for an NGO. As you can see, if I want to sign up as an NGO, sorry, I want to sign up as an NGO, and the other is for a user. So yeah, and as you can see, they have different fields, and after the NGO would register over there, after the NGO would register over here, they would have their own user, and after they would have their own user, they would fill a form, that model form which you just saw in the admin page, for them to put in their requirements as per their needs. Along with this, we also wanted to link the pages better, but we got stuck with a small little error for quite some time, which really stopped our work completely. So yeah, and we wanted to integrate even a profile section where the person can edit what you can see his transactions, and like how many people's lives he's affected, and make it a more user friendly space altogether. So yeah, but sorry that we could not finish on time.
Probably next time. So yeah, maybe next time if the event will be longer, maybe we'll be more practice because this was our first hackathon. So it was a lockdown where we learned, so that was the reason we are a bit slow. Next time we'll try to build things faster and with probably with less errors and try to complete the whole website, make it working in one go. It was in bits and pieces till now. It wasn't even connected really well. But yeah, next time it will be better. Thank you.
Thank you.